Okay, we're recording. I'm testing out a Hero 2. It's new to me. So we got a $1 Harbor Freight. Yeah, that's cranky. Multimeter needs a new battery. We're going to change it out. And this is on my new test bed. Ooh. So it got a battery here. It's probably used. Maybe I'll get something out of it before we plug it out. Put this sucker out of its misery. Okay. Ooh, no mercury, no cadmium. All lies. Alright. Plug this one in. Let's see if it fires up. Probably not. I mean to buy a new batch of Duracells, but we'll flip it around. And guess what? We got it on. Turn that off. Pop that on.